people that fly here in their late 60s and 70s, and can still say, isn't that good? Is Paul still flying? Paul's still flying. So to have a people change that, they staggered the wings. The guy coming from the right is probably going to hit VNE, while the other guy's probably getting close to stall. They use these for liaison, and believe it or not, in the very early days when Britain looked like they were going to be invaded, they actually had a plan and fitted some aircraft up with a big thing that looked like a sign that dropped down under the fuselage, and the pilots were going to fly along, and all of the Germans coming out of their invasion barges were going to fly along and try and hit them with the sign.
I think up there today it's going to be, as Jim described his flight yesterday, it's a bit bumpy up there, but I think he's doing a wonderful job. As Pete was saying earlier, it's all aluminium and it's only hot riveted together, and
colours, the orange and the white. Very nice.
Grandpa will be like amazed. Look at this. No way. Perfect backflip. Double for the double. It looks like it's just gonna crash smashing to the ground. But these pods are too good to crash. If they do crash, that's
thousands of hours of skill being
Yeah, that's what they do.